At sunrise, hidden lionesses surround a newborn calf, forcing the elephant family to form a defensive wall together immediately. The matriarch charges forward, trumpeting powerfully, while adult females shield both calves and force the lionesses backward through grass. The predators retreat, and the family regroups beneath acacia trees, confirming every calf is safe before continuing their journey. The matriarch leads the herd along a trail, using decades of memory to locate food, water, and safety ahead. Protected between adults, the youngest calf copies every step, learning where to walk, stop, and remain safely within formation. The family pauses beneath acacia trees, where powerful trunks gather leaves, grass, bark, and branches needed for survival here. The youngest calf struggles with its trunk, repeatedly dropping grass before lifting a small bundle toward its mouth successfully. Watching its mother closely, the calf develops essential coordination needed for drinking, feeding, communication, dusting, and future protection skills. After feeding, the herd leaves the woodland and follows a familiar trail toward a distant seasonal water source together. Rising heat slows the family, while the matriarch tests the wind for moisture, predators, and unfamiliar elephants moving ahead. Deep rumbles travel through air and ground, keeping separated family members connected as they continue across the savanna together. Giraffes watch quietly, while antelope raise their heads as the elephants pass without changing direction across the grassland nearby. The youngest calf tires beneath intense heat, shortening its steps while remaining protected beside its mother throughout the journey. The matriarch leads everyone toward an acacia, allowing calves brief shade, while adults remain alert across the open plain. During the short rest, adults fan their ears, the youngest calf nurses, and the matriarch tests the wind ahead. Fresh buffalo tracks and damp soil appear inside a shallow riverbed, confirming that water lies somewhere farther downstream today. The family descends carefully into the dry channel, following darker soil while dust slides beneath their enormous feet. A gust drives dust across the riverbed, reducing visibility and forcing the herd to tighten around both calves. When the dust clears, circling birds and greener vegetation reveal the hidden water hole beyond a rise at last. The matriarch reaches the ridge first, revealing a seasonal water hole and guiding the family toward safer access below. The matriarch tests the muddy shoreline first, checking depth and firmness before allowing the calves to approach safely. Each elephant fills its trunk, curls it upward, and pours leaders directly into its mouth with practiced control. The calves turn drinking into play, splashing shallow water while adults remain alert to movement around the shoreline. After drinking, the herd sprays water across dusty backs, cooling thick skin and washing dirt from their bodies. They throw wet mud over themselves, creating protection against sunlight, biting insects, and rapid moisture loss during heat. As the family leaves, small birds follow behind, catching insects disturbed from grass by the elephant's enormous feet. Beyond the waterhole, the youngest calf sinks into deep mud and struggles to pull its hind legs free. Two adult females return immediately, supporting the calf with trunks and bodies, until it reaches firm ground safely. Shared care defines elephant society, where mothers, sisters, and aunts protect and teach every calf within the family. The reunited herd resumes its journey, keeping the rescued calf close while moving toward feeding grounds before evening. Dark storm clouds gather across the plains, and thunder leads the matriarch toward higher ground before heavy rain. Heavy rain cools dusty skin, darkens the soil, and releases fresh plant scents across the surrounding savanna instantly. The calves splash through shallow puddles, practicing balance and playful social behavior while staying close to protective adults. Following fresh scents, the matriarch locates tender grasses beside woodland, providing valuable evening food after the long journey. Warm sunset light surrounds the feeding herd as elephants replace energy spent walking, protecting, drinking, and learning today. The youngest calf rests against its mother's leg, while females maintain protection as darkness slowly settles around them. After sunset, elephants rely on rumbles, scent, and gentle trunk touches to remain connected throughout the darkness together. Most elephants rest beneath tall trees, but the matriarch remains alert for predators, storms, and unfamiliar herds nearby. Their daily movements create pathways, spread seeds, uncover water, and provide feeding opportunities for countless smaller savanna species. At dawn, the family moves again, carrying ancient knowledge forward and sustaining the rhythm of elephant life together.